Namaskar. In earlier period, we study Mendel experiment on monohybrid cross. Today, we're going to study Mendel's experiment on dihybrid cross. Di means two. In his experiment, Mendel crossed two characteristics of each plant. He brought a cross between pea plant having round and yellow colored seed. Means the seed have two characters. One is the shape of the seed and the second one is the color of the seed. Shape is round and color is yellow seeds. And the second pea plant with a wrinkle shape and the green color seeds. Okay. So in this cross, two characters he crossed. That's why it is called the dihybrid cross. Okay. How it is take place? See, in his dihybrid cross, in parental generation, that is the P1. In his P1, he used two plants having phenotype. One plant is round yellow seed, cross with second plant wrinkle green seeds. Okay. Then what are the genotype of these plants? See, genotype of these plants are for round characteristics, it is dominant characteristics, so capital R for round shape, and for yellow color of the seed, use the capital Y and capital Y. While in the recessive plants, for wrinkle shape, genotype is small r, and for green color, small y and small y. Okay. So when you take part in a reproduction, that then it forms the gametes, that is called the gametogenesis. In this gametogenesis, this first plant forms the gametes which carry capital R and capital Y genes, while this plant carry capital R, small r and small y in his genes. Then these two plants cross, these two gametes are crossed to form a first filial generation, that is the F1. That first filial generation content, that is after crossing these two plants, it carry capital R, then this capital small r, capital Y, and this small y. Here if we see in this generation, after crossing the two characters, all plants containing capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Means here the genes are mixed. Mixed genes are there. That's why these such plants genotypically called as a heterozygous. Okay, because the genes are mixing. But phenotypically, if we see that it has a capital R, means these dominant characters R is present. That's why the color of seed is, the shape of the seed is round, and it has a small y. Capital Y is present. It also small y is present, but capital Y, that is the dominant characters. So only yellow color is present. So in our F1 generation, all plants are bears, all are round and yellow seeds. Although they show the genotypically different genes, that's why they call the heterozygous plants. Okay. Then by selfing from the F1 generation, then these plants are selfing, it forms the F2 generation. That is called as a, then in a parental generation. Sure. P2. In this P2, from the F1 generation, two plants are taken, that is the round yellow seed, round yellow seed that carry capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay. After selfing from F1 for the F2 generations, this in this generation, see, the gametogenesis take place. In gametogenesis, each plant bears or forms four gametes. This plant forms the four gametes. First gamete carry one character for round, capital R, one character for the yellow, capital Y. Then one character from the capital and one character from the color, small. Then small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Like that, this plan also produce capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Okay. So here the plants bears the four gametes in the second filial generations, which carry the different genes. Then by using the checkers boards or the Punnett square, then the F2 generation, filial generation, F2 is shown male and the female, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Males, one plant taken male, capital RY, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small r. While in a female also, capital R, small y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Now see, in this checkerboards, how they are reproduced. The first are gametes of the female may be fused with this first gametes of the male, or the second, or the third, or fourth. So when it fused with this one, what is the form? Capital R, capital Y, capital Y. So here both are capital, means this plant is round and yellow seed, right? When these plants and these plants gametes are fused, see capital R, so it is round, and capital Y, small y, based on capital Y, the yellow seed. Then this capital R fused with the small r, capital R, smaller, R is capital, so it is round, and capital Y means it is a yellow plant. Okay, here capital R, small r, capital R, small r, so it is round, capital Y, small y, so it is yellow. So then second egg may be fused with this, all these four. So what will be produced? See, capital R, small y, capital Y, so it is round, yellow, capital R, right? So it is round, small y. Here the color is not yellow because all genes are small y, means recessive, so the color become green. Okay, here color become different. Then capital R, small y, capital Y. Again this plant is a round, and yellow. Then capital R, capital small r, small y, small y. So again here this plant is round and green. Then see these two eggs are capital R, small r, round color, round shape, capital Y, capital Y. So yellow color, small r, capital R, Y, Y. So this plant also round and yellow. Then this small r and this small r, capital Y, capital Y. This small y, a small r are for wrinkle. It is for the wrinkle, and capital Y for the round. Okay. Then small r, capital Y, small y. It is also wrinkle and yellow, wrinkle and yellow. Okay. Then this small r, capital R, small y, capital Y. So it is round and yellow. Then small r, capital R, small y. So this plant is round and green. Small r, capital Y, small y. So this plant is wrinkle and yellow. And finally r, small r, small y. So this plant is wrinkle and green. See in a checkerboard, if you see that, see round yellow plant, round yellow plant, round yellow plant, round yellow plant, then round yellow plant, round yellow plant, round yellow plant, then round yellow plant, round yellow plant. Okay, if you see in this triangle, the all plants are round. So how many round and yellow seeds plants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then see round green plant, round green plant, round green plant. See how many round green plant, round and green seeds? 1, 2, 3. Right? Then see here wrinkle and round yellow, wrinkle and round yellow, wrinkle and yellow. They are also 3. Wrinkle, yellow, 3, and see last is a wrinkle and green. Wrinkle and green is how many? So their number are indicated by ratio. That is also phenotypic. This phenotypic ratio is how much? 9:3:3:1. Then see if you see phenotypically, if you see that here first is genotype is capital RR, capital YY. See capital RR, capital YY. See how many capital RR and capital YY plants are there? 1. See there nothing, only one capital RR, capital YY plant is there. Okay, so this is completed. Then see capital RR, second capital RR, capital Y and small y, 1, right? This one 2, capital RR. Okay, only how many? Only 2 plants are there. Then see this third one, capital R, small r, capital Y, 1. Then this one 2. Okay, how many? Only 2 are there. Then after that capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, small r, capital Y, small y, 1 plant. Okay, completed. 2, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, आणि हे 4. किती झाले एकूण 4. ओके, राहिलं कोणतं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 हां नंतर हे राहिलं कोणतं राहिलं कॅपिटल आर स्मॉल वाय किती एक प्लॅन्ट आणखी कोणी दिसते का यातलं शोधायचे असेल हे बघा हे दुसरं कॅपिटल आर कॅपिटल वाय स्मॉल वाय किती आलं प्लॅन्ट याच्यामध्ये 2 हे झालं तर राहिलं कोणतं हे बघा स्मॉल वाय कॅपिटल वाय किती आहेत 1 प्लॅन्ट ओके देन दिस वन कॅपिटल स्मॉल आर कॅपिटल वाय स्मॉल वाय किती प्लॅन्ट आहेत 1 2 किती प्लॅन्ट झाले 2 2 झाले इथे त्यानंतर थर्ड वन तीन चार पाच 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 त्यानंतर स्मॉल आर कॅपिटल वाय किती प्लॅन्ट आहेत 1 हाऊ मेनी प्लॅन्ट्स आर देअर 1 प्लॅन्ट्स आर देअर and this one capital R small y capital R and small y how many plants 1 okay now the ratio is called as the genotypic ratio how ratio is called so see this 1 plant is to 2 plant is to 2 plant is to 4 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 1 okay so ratio is that आता या रेशोमध्ये तुम्ही बघितलं काय बघा हाऊ मेनी 1 2 3 4 4 वेळा 1 आहेत 2 बघा 1 2 3 4 4 वेळा आणि 1 वेळा 4 मीन्स हिअर आर रेशोज आर 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 2 is to 2 is to okay this is called as a genotypic ratio Mendel is found in a FT 187 experiments table he found and among them he found that the 16 different possible combinations can be formed in the second generation phenotypically it shows its ratio 9:3:3:1 and generally it shows its ratio 1:2:2:4:2:1:2:1 okay in this way Mendel explained his second monohybrid cross ratio and explains how the characteristics are transferred from one generation to the second generation